Good evening. I'd like to talk to you about the 2020 RAV4. It has a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, as well as a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It also comes with a 24-month, 25,000 mile maintenance program. It also gets 27 miles per gallon in the city and 35 in the highway. It has a 5-star safety rating, and the 3 features that stand out to me is the available panoramic glass sunroof and wireless phone chargers. The other thing is it has ventilated seats, which means in the hot summertime you can turn on an air conditioning just for your back. Also in the winter it heats up to keep you nice and warm. Give me a call or write below if you have any questions. Thank you.